Hey guys, it's Astra.
And Alana from Page 6 Style. Welcome to Famously Fashionable, presented by Bloomingdale's. Believe it or not, holiday party season is right around the corner, which means you're going to need something fun, festive, and fashion-forward to wear.
And whether you've got company cocktails, a December dinner party, or a black tie bash on your agenda, we've rounded up a few celebrity looks to serve as inspiration for all your holiday plans.
First up, you can never go wrong with a little black dress this time of year, especially when it's sparkly and trimmed with a bow like Selena Gomez is. She's wearing self-portrait, and we actually found a similar style from the brand that'd be perfect for any end-of-year celebration.
Next up, nothing screams Christmas time is here quite like red sequins. We love this midi dress on Zoe Saldana, which has a plunging neckline that's tempered by the long sleeves and modest hemline. Now, if you're looking for something similar, try this beautiful burgundy number.
Love that. You don't have to wear a dress to a holiday party, though. Pants can look every bit as festive. For proof, look no further than Jessica Chastain in this green sweater and pant combo. A turtleneck like hers is a cold weather staple that'll pair just as well with jeans or a pencil skirt as with a tone-on-tone trouser like this one.
And the holidays are the perfect time to rock metallics. How great does Eva Longoria look in this silver sequin midi skirt? We found this similar style for under $100. She wore it with a semi-sheer white blouse, but you could just as easily pair it with any crisp white button-up.
For more celebrity fashion, head to Page 6 Style.